Huh? Go. Huh?
Whether it's a person or a place,
Nah.
shouldn't take it for granted.
Oh. Oh.
You were alive.
Oh.
Like this, they will know I'm
Oh.
down. It looks like you sustained a proximal humerus fracture with left upper arm. You're losing my back hand. Alright,
Toink, toink, toink.
nabigay kami ng funds dyan sa Tuyang Elementary School sa Mindoro.
Thanks, dude.
That you can.
Alright.
Istoryahin yun.
Apa, ano ganit pa niya akong putugyan, urag na urag sunog po. Smell.
Sa battery na. Battery.
Nga naman urag na sunog na smell.
Ano mo na ibaw sa battery?
Oh. 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 Ay, laway. Ay. Why instead of Daniel playing his own like feet or legs, he keeps on playing my feet and legs. Instead of playing his arm, he's playing my arm. Oh,
It's
that's
good.
what's that, Ma?
It's okay. It's good. Ay,
Yes.
okay.
Very under, Ma. When you open the door, mas gana. Ayun na ka ng electric pan. Ay, di naman na pagkaon. Kondog ni mo, kondog. Mami, kaya may band cord?
No?
Ha? No? Okay.
There is corn at home in the lab. You can use it.
What do you mean, Ma? There's no corn at home.
No, there is.
No, there's not.
Urot na diin nato. Wala man. There's 4 cans of corn.
What corn you mean?
Corn, the one in the lata.
I want that, man. That I don't like that corn. The corn we're eating already.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
The one we use for maha. What's the one?
Okay. Ikaw.
Get it. Baby.
Kami guys. Para sa mi guys. Entrance.
Seconds, minutes,
Itong mga subscribers to.
and hours. What is before seconds?
Milliseconds.
Please subscribe.
And what is before minutes?
Subscribers.
Huh?
Subscribe.
Describe po. Sport po.
Hello guys. Para mi guys. Yung gagikan istoy. Istoy. Yung gagikan si istoy. Kuya istoy. Katitikat kuya istoy. Hindi mo ito yung si kuya istoy oy.
din kayo. What's project in ha? You can also go via 03.
Hindi ko na minumpro guys. Padung nami uli guys. Sige ka nangumpra.
Ah. It was 12 reals, ma? Ma. So, so 2 reals? I'm confused. Oil pastel. 350. This one, yeah. Ah. What the? Good. You want or no? What is it gonna do? Ma, this is gonna put it. Phone up. Ma, phone.
What?
Ang nakanindot ng gidre guys sa gabi guys, hayag kaayo kay ang mga karsada daghan mga yung suga. Ang gaso. Tarang eskina, highway, na suga. Mo nga hayag jid kaayo. Mo siya nakanindot, di ba?
Grabe po pagkuhan, pag-saka. Gusto yan sa mga taga-Bugulong.
Balikan yun sila.
Katulong na ng dagkuhan. Dili lang after, dili yun siya aftershock pa. Anong kuhan yun siya?
Oh, gani.
Mommy, it's really hard, ma, huh? If you meet a friend and you forgot his name, ma. I really think a lot of his name again. I really forgot. We just met we're classmates 2 years ago. Like I keep on seeing him, but I don't know his name. Everything that you
How many people agree with me when I say God's love is free? Hey, all y'all laughing. Help to remember this.
What kind of healthcare worker is she?
She's a respiratory therapist. She's very traumatized, but I love her very much.
Caesar,
Then goes
can you confirm this to me? Is she
You want to know something funny? Hold on. On my way here, right, she was telling me a story about her and her co-workers about Estes. Okay. And she's like, yeah, they call us all the throat goats. I'm like, I don't work in the medical field, so I'm like, you guys know. So when
Caesar.
hey, yes he is.
We all so desperately want to be happy. We read books about happiness, we download apps about happiness, but when we are in a moment of having fun, we
Sounds like mong gano'n, ha?
makes me think that that's the secret.
Mapag yun, makapilit niya ako na.
Podcast man. Kanang imo anak mo nagkanta sa kilid ako.
Ano ang problema? Ang kanta?
Yes.
Before ma, grade 1, grade 2 ma, we have a song ma, but now, I don't know why Kurt Matthews doesn't want to be the one to model. He was also a model in grade 2. He also experienced. Why does he not want anyone?
Maybe give chance to
A supermarket mask in the gate na. Like the stickers. Get yourself super one house I was a big one, but we just were a big one. Pushing the shadow to the limit, but one and a quick I love smoking club and king banana. Never sure what it's there. One house he's on that told me. Get yourself alive.
So go straight and then go to matter.
Your time.
I always had that slap my dad before.
Your time.
Yes.
Don't forget. To see my friend, I don't believe in failure.
Yan sa dahil sa kinang nagpatungay.
the brushes because I always sit in the front. I feel like I'm falling down if we like make a turn. Most of my boy.
You need to stay careful, no? And you pray and you just...
Yeah, mommy, if we're in an accident, ma, of course, ma, the one in the back will survive, right?
Not really. It
Yeah.
depends.
Yeah, but the front one already.
Yes, sir. Okay, abot na mi guys. Kami. Nauna kuya.
Bob's a bank. He will go to prison for 30 years, but if Franklin, he'll just get shot.
Oh, then he died. Come on.
Franklin's my favorite character. Trevor
Na
is
may
like,
kuan ganina pa ba? Duha ang usa ka pasyente. Kulang gud gyapon nga mama. Unya di ba nga mong bed kay maikot-ikot man ay nana. Nakit-an bitaw na sa usa ka anak. Then mura anak or granddaughter. So, wala di nga nagit siya. Ang akong mama kay ito dito na. Ini siya nga. Ambi ang email sa imong amo. Kay kung dili mo mga tag-amo ato ko din siya sa pinakataas sa DOH. Kay na ko number dito.
what did she wants to call mom? What did she
Then gikuan man si ang iyang pasyente gud kaya man siya nga nguba. Usap pa jud kay bangurit.
Cute.
Asang usang pasyente kani nagiana kung kamoto ko ang mama 10,000 na ha. Then kanang ilisan nimong diaper nga murag si Daniel. Kanang ibis ka mag straight mo ana. Pero mo tagulay tubo. Ay nako.
Tarihan ni ang gusto. Langga-langga o maglihok ayo. Iluhan.
Kantig yun. Ano ni? What is this? What did I book? I book Lulu, right?
Huh?
Or what did I book?
You book for the military care.
Ah, my malas.
Did you book ma?
To the work. Because,
Tingala ko nga, Andre Agi.
malas, my brain is still at work. Sorry, brother.
Come here.
Yung layo na no, tagod.
What ka mahiwa na kayo sa taman sa kay ang yung kamot kay maanad ba?
I never went here. Yeah, we went.
Como na yung klase?
Mom, it was not open na.
Yeah, we will not make ligo ba sa dalo. So maguha ro siya balas.
Magpura magbalas.
For what? Ma, for what?
Like what's in the
Before, ma, do they have Pizza Huts? Like, no, like before, like when I was not yet born.
You think so?
Because Nipa had Pizza Hut.
Because Pizza Hut is already there in the Philippines.
No.
Long time.
Nipa Hut. Before Nipa Hut, what's the name of their Pizza Hut?
No.
And there's no Pizza Hut. Huh? Huh?
Ikasunod adlaw kay natay PT ni Daniel apa ka? dress. Jeez.
Mommy, what's the date today, Ma?
Huh?
What's the date today?
12.
But I thought yesterday was 12. Ma,
Today is 12. So you will have on the 15th your Boy Scout. And then on the 16th, you will have your
model.
modeling thing. Ngayon, ika-17.
Mommy, at least I know how to model from grade 2.
Yeah, that's why. So that's why you have an experience already. You know what to do to it.
I thought modeling around for girls. Before, when I was 4 years old, I thought modeling was for girls only.
Indian address is a model.
Yeah, that's when I saw like the ladybug.
Who is the girl?
Kira, our class president.
Kira. Who's Kira?
Let me show you the pic. If you didn't agree, someone else. But did you agree, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. Good job.
You messaged me around 4, I think.
We are at the fire drill, Ma. Like me and Siler laughed like so much today. Like first subject to the fire drill to the last. Like people are making us laugh.
But you know, if there are drills, you need to be serious, huh?
No, Mom, we're just waiting outside. I don't know why. And our classroom door was even open.
Good for you're in Amaranth because the assembly area is very near only. It's in the court, right? So it's very near.
Yeah. No, that was in the court, Ma.
Where?
Grade 4.
Because in the, like, for me also in the, like 1 p.m. earlier, I had a drill also, but it was a pediatric code.
What's pediatric?
Like one,
We had it 4 o'clock.
one child heart stop. So what to do?
Bye. Kining usaha mo atubang dito sa buwan sa Loyo, atubang na putreo.
Lingon na siya good. Pusok ba yan na? Mangita ginasad ko Di mo ko, then pag natulog, lagi yung mata magtuyok-tuyok yun. Palit ng talikot. Para sa Pilipinas. May yung taglinindot na kamuti, ay. May yung taglinindot na kamuti. Pero ang lang ko na nakay put pasabutan na kaloy sa Ginoo okay na sa tingin. Kay remember ka ni Ma'am Michelle? Katong akong kauban nga